To automatically adjust photo tone setting using auto option on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tones icon. Now tap auto to let your phone automatically adjust various tone settings such as white balance, contrast, definition, exposure, and more. After auto adjustment, your phone will mark the setting that got adjusted with a small yellow dot on it. As you can see in this screen, the settings that got adjusted are exposure, contrast, and saturation. This yellow dot helps you quickly see which specific tone setting were changed by auto. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. Given to the function, using the auto option in the tone tools make it easy to quickly enhance your photo by automatically adjusting multiple tone settings at once. It's perfect when you want a balanced and polished look without doing manual edit. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.